we're going to install our vinyl door handle trims for the Tesla Model 3. This is super easy. Me rambling on actually takes longer than doing it, so with that we're going to score this a 1 and jump into the video. Alright, Pete from Abstract Ocean. Today we're going to install our vinyl decal for the Model 3 door handles. Super easy, 10-second install, no tools required. First thing we're going to do is just remove it from the backing paper using the carrier sheet. Let that go. And then let's come down here. Then we're going to align with this first leading edge. And just, when you're happy, just push it home. Use your hand just to apply the pressure. And then peel it away. Super easy, there's no wrapping, no folding, no weird corners. The whole point of this is you can just see the peak of the chrome around the edge, but the main face is carbon fibre in this case. We have plenty of other finishes as well. Super easy.